Hello, word everyone, and welcome back to another episode. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you join me as we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. Today, our word of the day is disease. So, what exactly is a disease? Well, in simple terms, a disease is an illness or sickness that affects a person, animal, or plant. It's a condition that disrupts the normal functioning of the body or mind. We use the word disease to talk about a wide range of health problems, from common colds to more serious conditions like heart disease or cancer. Think of it as anything that makes you feel unwell or prevents your body from working as it should. For example, you might say, "He caught a disease from the contaminated water." Or doctors are working hard to find a cure for this disease. The word disease is quite common in everyday language, especially when discussing health or medical issues. Now, let's delve into some synonyms for disease. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings, which can help you expand your vocabulary and express yourself in different ways. One synonym for disease is illness. Illness is a general term for being unwell. You could say, "She's been suffering from a long illness." Another synonym is sickness. Sickness is often used to describe a condition that causes nausea or vomiting, but it can also refer to any kind of poor health. For instance, he called in sick to work due to his sickness. We also have the word ailment. Ailment is often used to describe a minor health problem, such as a headache or a cold. She visited the doctor for a minor ailment. Another synonym is condition. Condition is a broader term that can refer to both physical and mental health problems. For example, his heart condition requires regular monitoring. Finally, let's consider malady. Malady is a slightly more formal word for disease and is often used in literature or medical contexts. An example of this would be, "The ancient text described a strange malady that plagued the village." Now that we've explored some synonyms, let's look at antonyms of disease. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. Understanding antonyms can help you grasp the full scope of a word's meaning. The most obvious antonym for disease is health. Health refers to a state of being free from illness or injury. For example, regular exercise is important for maintaining good health. Another antonym is wellness. Wellness emphasizes a proactive approach to maintaining good health and well-being. You could say, "She focuses on wellness by eating nutritious food and exercising regularly." We can also use the word fitness as an antonym. Fitness refers to being physically healthy and strong. He achieved peak fitness by training for the marathon. Another antonym would be vigor. Vigor means strength and energy, the opposite of being weakened by disease. For example, at 80 years old, she still had remarkable vigor. Another contrasting word is strength. Strength is the capacity of an object or substance to withstand great force or pressure. For example, the doctor was surprised by the strength of the patient's immune system. Let's see how we can use disease in everyday life. You might hear someone say, "The spread of the disease is a major concern." Or, "Early detection is crucial for treating the disease effectively." In conversations about public health, you might hear phrases like preventing the spread of infectious diseases or researching new treatments for chronic diseases. When discussing personal health, you might say, "He's been battling a serious disease for several years," or "She's taking medication to manage her disease." In more formal settings like medical reports or news articles, you might encounter sentences like, "The study investigates the genetic factors contributing to the disease," or "The disease affects a significant portion of the population." Here are some more examples of disease in sentences and phrases. The doctor diagnosed him with a rare disease. Scientists are working tirelessly to find a cure for the disease. The disease can be prevented through vaccination. She's learning to live with her chronic disease. The government is implementing measures to control the spread of the disease. He is fighting a terrible disease. This plant disease is spreading fast. The new medicine is able to fight the disease. Airborne diseases can easily spread. Many diseases are preventable. Disease control is very important in hospitals. She caught a disease while traveling. He has a disease that affects his hearing. The farmer lost many crops due to disease. Poor sanitation can lead to the spread of disease. The research aimed to understand the causes of a disease. In summary, disease means an illness or sickness that affects a living being. We learned some synonyms like illness, sickness, ailment, condition, and malady. We also explored antonyms such as health, wellness, fitness, vigor, and strength. We looked at how disease is used in everyday conversations and phrases, highlighting its importance in discussions about health and medical issues. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Before you go, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, allowing us to continue bringing you more vocabulary lessons. As a challenge, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word disease and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.
Goodbye.